All right, so some people call the glute stretch or periformis stretch. Just bring it up, pull all the way up, and the other side down. Can do the same on the ground. This one is a little difficult. Can do it as a warm-up, so you can walk through, do it as a dynamic warm-up, or you do it on the ground. I actually like to do it on the ground as well. So important here, people usually tend to open up here. You want to keep it up here. I hold it with the other hand in the place, this one down, and then stay in this position.